Hello friends and welcome back to my channel #foodfundas. Like, share and subscribe. Today I'm going to show you the most authentic breakfast of Maharashtra called as misal pav. So let's start making this झणझणीत misal pav. For this झणझणीत misal, we are going to need the following ingredients. I have taken matki. Okay, matki, I have soaked it and I have taken the sprouts of it. You have to soak a day before and put it in a nice tight cloth and take the sprouts out of it. Next we need is 1 finely chopped tomato, 1 cup of finely freshly chopped coriander leaves, 7 to 8 flakes of garlic chopped, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and half tablespoon of turmeric. Now here I'm going to use is 2 tablespoons of kanda lasun masala, which is available in any masala shops. You can go for the best masala, kanda lasun masala. Friends, I'm going to make this misal in a pressure pan. Once the pan is heated, add enough oil into it, and then firstly we are going to fry the matki with some salt and turmeric. See that your matki is nicely fried till it becomes crisp. Now, once the matki is nicely fried, take it out in another container, and now we will start making the masala for the misal. Now in the same pan, add enough oil because we need to get a nice tarri on the misal. Firstly, I am adding the chopped garlic. Now nicely fry this garlic. Do not burn the garlic. Once the garlic is nicely sauteed and it gives out the aroma, you add the powder masalas, that is the red chili powder and the turmeric. Then we will add the chopped and de-seeded tomatoes into it. Nicely fry the tomatoes till it starts losing out the oil from the sides. Add some salt into it so that the tomatoes become nice and soft. Once the tomato is nicely fried and soft, add almost 2 tablespoons of kanda lasun masala. Kanda lasun masala, as I told, is easily available in any masala shops. Get the best quality. Now add the fried matki into it and half of the chopped coriander. Friends, add salt also into it, but please check that you don't add too much salt because the matki is already fried with salt, and kanda lasun masala also has some salt into it. Nicely fry the matki in the masala and add enough water to get enough curry. Add enough water so that you get maximum curry for the number of people you're going to serve. Just pressure cook for 1 whistle as we have already fried the matki, so do not overcook the matki. So you can see we have got a very beautiful tarri on the top of the misal. The misal has to be this red and it has to be so spicy so that you enjoy it to the maximum. So the spiciest and झणझणीत misal is ready. Misal is mostly served with pav, some chopped onion, lemon and a particular type of a farsan on the top so that you get the maximum flavor to enjoy. Friends, I definitely know that you're going to really try this recipe and share it with your loved ones. So, enjoy the misal pav. Thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe #foodfundas.